5 free ad sites is what I'm going to show to you, where you can make more sales from and generate more leads. Now maybe you're thinking, why would I waste time with free ad sites? It won't produce any results for me. Well, I frequently post on this free ad site, but you really need to take a lot of action and post maybe up to 10 ads a week, or even more if you want to. You really got to be consistent, and you may not see results at once, but if you don't want to spend money on ads, then these free ads is an option. But again, you need to be consistent. So the first one I'm going to show you is Adland Pro at adlandpro.com. Small. If you want your ad to be seen all across the United States, then you have to pay a small fee though. And when you fill out your profile, there's option clickable link. Put in links in to all your websites underneath the tab of websites. So when people visit your profile, so that way you may get a lead or customer. But now let's say post.com, and here's where you sign up, and then you get an email. You have to click a link to activate your account, and here you click the post an ad. This is ads within the United States, and you can sell even physical products here and choose among different categories here. The good thing with these free ad sites is at many of these sites you can enter a URL that is gonna be clickable attached to your ads, so that those ad posts. Now let's go to my third recommendation. You sign up for an account and start to adding your let's go your MLM or work from home opportunity. Now let's go to my the fifth recommendation on free ad sites. So my recommendation with free ad sites is classifiedads.com, and then you get how to create an account, direction about that. If you're already a member, you just click on login, of course, and there's different categories, of course, that you can choose from. Remember to choose the right category for your work from home business opportunity. So there you have it, my 5 recommendations of good free ad sites that you can use to generate leads and sales by being consistent. Now, would you like to make money, make $100 per sale posting ads on these sites? If so, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.